Welcome to the ECE Lab Safety Tutorial. Our first priority for any lab is safety. So before you electrocute someone, let me give you a brief safety presentation. Okay, in every lab there are safety information cards on the wall at the doorway and other areas of the lab. The card tells you useful emergency numbers and your location.
2356 Main Mall, room 322.
Every lab also has all the basic safety equipment. The fire extinguishers are located in the hallway. Only use it when the fire is controllable. To use the fire extinguisher, follow the pass technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. Do not stop until the fire is completely out. The power bar breaker is located at each bench and it shuts off power to a row of outlets at one bench. The main breaker is located near one of the doorways inside the lab. Press the switch to shut off the power to the entire lab. Let's also go over what you should do in case of a fire or earthquake. In case of fire, sound the fire alarm, which is usually at the end of the hallway. And at the same time, alert other people in the building. Call 911 and provide the operator with specific details of the emergency. Attempt to control the fire if it is safe to do so and your exit is clear. If the fire cannot be controlled, isolate it by closing the doors. Evacuate the building by the nearest exit and go to the muster point, which is the grassy area outside McLeod and Kaiser. In case of an earthquake, it is crucial that you do not panic and follow the procedures.
Did you feel that?
Are you serious?
If you are indoors, drop under a sturdy piece of furniture like a table or a desk. Cover your head, face, and torso. Hold on to the furniture and be prepared to move with it. If you can't find sturdy furniture to hide under, crouch against the interior wall and protect your head and neck with your arms. If you are outdoors, stay outdoors. Go to open areas and stay away from buildings and heavy objects such as lampposts. If you're in a crowded area, avoid being trampled. After the earthquake, wait 60 seconds to allow the debris to finish falling. Assess the surrounding dangers, then evacuate the building. Follow the emergency procedures mentioned above and do not use the triangle of life, do not attempt to exit the building during the earthquake, and do not stand near a doorway. Okay, now let's go over the ECE laboratory safety rules. Number 1. Do not allow unauthorized access to restricted spaces, which means do not open the door or leave the door open for other people. Number 2. Do not have food or drink in the lab. Number 3. Wear your appropriate personal protective equipment and remind other people around your workplace to wear theirs as well. Number 4. Do not damage the equipment. Only use the equipment for which you are authorized and trained and for its specified purpose. Number 5. Clean up the workplace before leaving. Number 6. Do not engage in horseplay or sabotage. Number 7. Infractions against the rules may result in a marked penalty up to 5% against your final grade. Number 8. Do not use the ovens in the lab for any other purpose besides assigned coursework.
Sam, do you want one?
And finally, don't forget to finish the mandatory online safety training modules if you haven't already. On behalf of everyone at the ECE Engineering Services team, we want to thank you for paying attention. Now, as you prepare to start your first lab, please remember to always follow the best practices. Assess risks, keep the workplace neat, and follow all safety rules.